My name's Ryan Robertson. I'm one of our joint replacement doctors at OrthoVirginia, and I'm here with one of my patients who is now 4 weeks status post left total knee replacement with the muscle-sparing Subvastus approach. And I wanted just to let y'all sort of know about her recovery, and she was nice enough to share her journey with us. So if you wouldn't mind, would you sort of tell us about how the recovery has been going? And obviously, for those who don't know, she also is previously had her right replaced, and that was 7 years ago. And so she can sort of compare some of the aspects from her right knee to how her left knee has been doing since the surgery.
Basically, I just stuck with the walker after I went home. But in 2 weeks, I got up off the chair and walked around the house without.
Okay.
And it felt perfectly fine.
Great. How long were you using that after your other surgery?
Oh, it would probably have been 5 or 6 weeks.
Good amount of functional improvement from this surgery compared to the other one. And then how about dry? Are you dried at this point?
I have been driving for a while now. I started driving the 4th week after my surgery, and other time I didn't drive probably for almost 2 months.
Speaking of pain, how has your pain been with the surgery?
There has been no pain since maybe I stopped taking Tramadol after a week and a half. I don't think I would have done that if I was adding pain, so I did continue the Tylenol arthritis.
At this point, would you say that you're happy that you did go through with doing it?
Absolutely. I told a friend that I was ready to have a third leg so I could go through it again. No, it was a good experience. Is that possible?
I don't think we can give you a third leg to let you go through your experience again.
No, but that experience I was very pleased with.
Glad that's the case. Anything else that you would like any possible other viewers at home to know about the surgery and about our staff here, or anything else that you can share?
Well, my nurses were wonderful. I had only 3 because I was there such a short while. But were very kind, very attentive. Saw to all of the needs, and my physical therapist she was a great help. And the staff here, if I ever called with a question or request, they got back to me, in a very short time, which I appreciated. And the whole experience has just been really good. I never really want to ask me that again, so smiling, so yeah.
I'm glad that we were able to give that to you. I'm glad that you've done well from it, and thank you so much for taking the time to share your experience with everyone else.
Sure. Thank you.